Okay. All right, Balaji, we'll leave it at that. Thanks a lot for joining in and giving us, your view on what's happening with the whole tariff war and the new postpaid plan from Reliance. By the way, the Adani Group stocks continue to be under pressure and pre-opening as well, despite the entire market rallying. The Nifty looks like it's going to open with big gains, but names like Adani Power continue to be under pressure. But LTIMindtree is in focus. Reema is here to give us the latest on that. Reema, over to you.
Thanks so much for that. So LTIMindtree held its Investor Day yesterday post-market hours, the first Investor Day after its merger with LTIMindtree. It was held by the CEO, Debashish Chatterjee, where he indicated that the integration is now completely over, and he reiterated that by FY27, the company will realize revenue synergies of $1 billion and a margin improvement of 200 basis points via the cost synergies. These numbers were known earlier in terms of the synergy benefits, but it was reiterated by the management. On the macros, they indicated that there is some caution at the boardroom level. Clients are talking about it, but their large deal pipeline continues to remain intact. It stands at $3.2 billion. 55% of the company's revenue is unaffected by the macros because it plays into customer experience, cloud, data, etc. So they're not too worried about that. On SVB, it was a client, but they get very little revenue from them. So again, not too worried on that front too. Back to you.
All right, Reema, thanks very much for that. Another space to watch out for could be the metal stocks, Tata Steel, Hindalco, and the entire pack. And I'll tell you why. It seems ages ago, but China reopening was the strongest theme. This in 2023, it's kind of taken a bit of a backseat. But I was just looking at the Jan to February data which has come through from China, and it indicates a solid rebound in China across the board. There are 3 or 4 sets of data, and we'll put that out a little later. But it's a solid rebound which has come through in China on macro indicators. The other one is Voltas. I don't know if you have the time to just quickly put the graphics up. I think there is a upgrade which has come through. It's a management meeting, and they're basically indicating that room air conditioner sales have been pretty strong. Market share, of course, they've been losing market share, and the company is telling analysts in the analyst meet that they are expecting increase in market share. They're the largest in room air conditioners, I think around 20% or so. And they're expecting things to be on the up.
Price hikes in April. I remember a lot of these companies said that we won't do it in March, but come April, perhaps looking at the scorching summer.
With the way the heat is going, I think people can't do without, they can do without anything, but they can't do without an air conditioner, right? All right, that's the first take on the Nifty, by the way. That's the opening.